Ma'am, 5C we have to do in book.
Five C you have to solve 5C, then you can take the answer. No? So do the calculation in your notebook, in your HW, and then mark the answer in your book. Okay? Do all the calculation in your notebook. Okay? So here I am explaining question number 4. Okay? Come to the question number 4. I am explaining question number 4. 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. And I have to tell what is the sum of all these exponents. Okay? Now how can we write this? We can write reciprocal of the fractions like 2 upon 1 and the power will be 2, and here 3 upon 1 and the power will be 2, and here 4 upon 1 and the power will be 2. Like 2 upon 1 is your 2, 3 upon 1 is 3, 4 upon 1 is 4. Now expand this, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9 and 4 4 ja 16. Now just add it, so your answer is 29. Is this clear? Is this question is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please say everyone to mute themselves. There's lots of background noise.
I am muting
Yes,
all.
ma'am.
If you have any doubt, you can type in chat. Okay. Okay. So now let's do question number 7. Okay. Question number 7. See, in question number 7, 3 by 4 to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 to the power minus 1. Okay. So we can write 4 by 3 and the power will plus 1. And here I can write 4 upon 1 and the power will plus 1. Right? Like this. Now just solve this. So 4 by 3 minus 4. 4 by 1, that means 4. And the power is minus 1. Here I can take LCM. So it will be 3, 4 minus and 4 3 ja 12 to the power minus 1. So it will be minus 8 upon 3 to the power minus 1. I can write the reciprocal of the fraction, that will be 3 upon minus 8. So the power will be 1. Then your answer is 3 upon minus 3 upon 8. The second option, right? Is this clear? Is this question is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
We have to just write the
Yes, ma'am.
reciprocal of the fraction so that power get reverse the sign. So 4 by 3 minus 4, then solve this. 4 minus 12 upon 3 minus 8 upon 3. Now just write the reciprocal of the fraction, 3 upon minus 8 to the power 1, then minus 3 upon 8. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then now I am solving question number 13. In question number 13, 3 square minus 2 square multiplied by 2 by 3 to the power minus 3. Right? Now, 3 square is 9 and here 2 square is 5. We can write reciprocal of the fraction, so it will be 3, right? So 9 minus 4, 5, and here 3 multiply 3 upon 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 multiplied by 5 upon 8. So 5 7 the 35, 3 carry, 5 2 ja 10, 10 and 3 1 13, 135 upon 8. Fourth option is correct. This question is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, which question you want to solve by me? Now the choice is yours. Till 21,
Ma'am, 19. Ma'am, 19.
19.
Ma'am, 19. Ma'am, 19.
Okay, 19.
Ma'am, 19.
Okay, then let's solve the question number 19.
Yes, ma'am.
If 5 upon 3 to the power minus 5 into 5 upon 3 to the power 11 equals to 5 upon 3 to the power 8x, then I have to find out the value of x, right? As I told you, if the base is same, then we can add the power. So here base is same, so just add the power. Minus 5 plus 11 and write it as it is. Now minus 5 plus 11 will be 6. 5 upon 3 to the power 6 equals to 5 upon 3 to the power 8x. As we know that if the base are same, we can equate power also. So it will be 8x equals to 6, x equals to 6 by 8, x equals to 2 by 3, and 2 3 is 6 and 2 4 is 8. So x equals to 3 by 4. Which option is correct? C option is correct.
Let's see.
Okay, any other question? By what number should be minus 8 to the power minus 1 multiplied to get 10 to the power minus 1? Okay, question number
1.
okay. So minus 8 to the power minus 1 by what number? So let's take the number as x to multiply so that we get 10 to the power minus 1. Okay. So I can write like this: 1 upon minus 8 to the power 1, and here x, and this is 1 upon 10 to the power 1. Yes or no? I can write like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just multiply it. Just multiply it, so you will get x upon minus 8 and here 1 upon 10. Now you can do cross multiply. 10x equals to minus 8, x equals to minus 8 upon 10, 2 is 8, 2 5 is 10, x equals to minus 4 upon 3 option is correct.
C1.
In this question, we have to find out the x. from which we multiply this factor minus 8 to the power minus 1, then the product will be 10 to the power minus 1. Just write it reciprocal and then do the cross multiply. Clear?
हितांशी अपने आप को म्यूट करो, तुम्हारे बैकग्राउंड से वॉइस बहुत ज्यादा आ रही है.
You can write in chat. Is the question is clear to you? Now, which of the following is in standard form? So you know that in standard form, we put the decimal behind the first digit. So the C option is correct, right? Now, so you have to complete exercise 5C. Do all the calculation in your HW and then mark in the book. And you have to solve this test paper 5 in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
So just write the homework.
Ma'am, A, B, C, D, all.
A और B तो पहले ही दे दी थी एक्सरसाइज होमवर्क में.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, only C or D.
So you have to complete all the exercise like 5A, B, C, D, and then this test paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not able to listen you. Please write in chat. What are you asking? Sorry, just mute your mic. Okay. So now I'm giving you a choice that you can ask me any one question from this test paper if you want to ask. So just look at this test paper and type in chat that which question you want to ask me.
Okay, ma'am.
Just type in chat. Question number 5 is question. Okay. And only 2 students sending their doubt. What about others? All of you are able to do every question. You don't need any help. That's great. See, question number 11. Okay. Question number 11 is very easy. Huh? I just solved question number in exercise 5C. So just do it by yourself. Question number 5, which Hiteshi is asking, I think, that is similar to the question which is already present in exercise 5A. 16th question of exercise 5A is similar to the question number 5 in test paper. Question number 6. So let's try to solve question number 6. Question number 8 is also easy, like exercise 5C. I just solve it. You just have to write the reciprocal of the fraction and then open the power. That's it. So I'm solving question number 6 right now. in question number 6, 2 to the power n minus 7 multiply 5 to the power n minus 4 equals to 1250. First, we will do the factorization of the 1250. Okay, so let's do the factorization. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Right? Now what can we do? Now we can 6 to 8. So we can divide by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, and 5 5 ja 25. Then 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 is 25. Then 5 5, then 5 and 5. Is this correct? Is the factorization is correct? Okay. So here I can write 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. I can write this. Now, you can write like this, 2 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 4. Yes or no? You can write like this, na? 2 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 4. Now, see, now the base are same. 2 is here, 2 is here, 5 is here, 5 is here. But we have to find out the value of n so that the value of 2 become 1, the power of 2 become 1 and the power of 5 become 4. Okay. So we have to find out same digit for this. Now think about it. Which digit we can put here so that the power of 2 become 1 and the power of 5 become 4. But we have to put the same digit here. So just take a guess which digit we can put. Which digit we can put here? Like n minus 7 equals to 1. We can write it. Because the base are same, so we can equate the power. So n will be 8 here. Right? Now same thing we can do for the 5. N minus 4 equals to 4. Base are same, so we can equate the power. So n minus 4 equals to 4. So n will be 8. So the value of n is 8. Is that clear? Is that clear to everyone? See, the base are same. So we have to just equate the powers. Okay. Everyone? Okay. Now I'm not going to solve any other question because this is your test paper. So don't tell me question number 8, 9, 10. Now this is your responsibility to solve your test paper. First of all, try by yourself, and after that, if you are not getting if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. So complete your exercise till 5 C, D, and your test paper. Okay. And today send me your work till exercise 5B on Google Classroom. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
is there any doubt which you want to ask me?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So right now,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am,